Today, I'm diving deep into my experience with Danalock, a smart lock designed to bring convenience and security to your home. Whether you're looking for keyless entry, remote access, or integration with your smart home system, Danalock claims to do it all. But does it truly deliver? Let's find out. Starting with the design, Danalock has a sleek and minimalistic look, but it's slightly bulkier than some other smart locks on the market. Installation is fairly straightforward if you already have a compatible lock cylinder, but for some users, swapping out their existing hardware might be a hassle. Once installed, connecting the lock to the app via Bluetooth or Z-Wave is relatively easy, but I did notice some occasional connection drops, which can be frustrating when you're trying to unlock your door quickly. The app interface is simple, but it lacks some advanced customization options found in other smart lock brands. Features like automatic unlocking when you approach your home can be useful, but I found that it didn't always trigger reliably, sometimes requiring me to manually open the app to unlock the door. Another concern is the lack of Wi-Fi support out of the box, meaning remote access requires an additional hub, which adds to the cost. When it comes to security, Danalock does a decent job, offering AES encryption and secure key sharing. However, compared to some competitors, the lack of built-in Wi-Fi and fingerprint access might be a deal-breaker for users wanting the most advanced security features. Battery life is another mixed bag. It can last up to a year, but frequent use or cold weather may shorten it significantly. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Gifmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Danalock integrates well with smart home platforms like Z-Wave hubs, HomeKit, and even Alexa, but the experience isn't always seamless. The responsiveness of voice commands varies, and there's a slight delay when locking and unlocking the door compared to some other smart locks. If you're heavily invested in a specific smart home ecosystem, you might find better compatibility elsewhere. Now, let's talk about reliability. While Danalock generally works as expected, I have encountered some inconsistencies. The auto-lock feature is nice in theory, but there were times when it failed to activate, leaving the door unlocked when I expected it to be secure. Similarly, guest access sharing is convenient, but if the recipient isn't tech-savvy, setting up their access might be a challenge. So, is Danalock worth it? If you're looking for a sleek and relatively affordable smart lock that integrates with your smart home setup, it's a solid choice. However, if you need flawless connectivity, built-in Wi-Fi, or fingerprint access, you might want to explore other options before making a decision. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest smart home tech reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've used Danalock and what your experience has been like.